Have you noticed how fast AI is evolving? Just a couple of years ago, everyone was amazed that ChatGPT could answer questions. Then AI started generating images. Then it started writing code. And now, we're entering a world where AI can plan tasks, make decisions, use tools, and complete entire workflows with minimal human input. The pace of innovation is so fast that what seemed impossible 6 months ago is becoming normal today. So in this video, we're going to explore the biggest AI trends shaping 2026. We'll talk about AI agents, open source models, coding assistants, multimodal AI, local AI, and much more. And most importantly, we'll discuss what these trends mean for developers, creators, startups, and anyone building technology products. If you're interested in AI, software engineering, or the future of technology, make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share the skills that are becoming incredibly valuable right now. Let's dive in. The biggest shift happening in AI right now is the move from chatbots to agents. Most people are familiar with chatbots. You ask a question. The AI responds. End of interaction. But agents are fundamentally different. An AI agent can actually take actions. It can plan. It can reason. It can use external tools. It can interact with databases. It can browse information. And it can complete multi-step tasks. Think about hiring a virtual employee instead of using a search engine. Imagine saying, research the top cloud providers, compare pricing, create a spreadsheet, and summarize your findings. Instead of giving you information, an AI agent can potentially complete the entire workflow. This is why many experts believe AI agents will become the next major computing platform. The future may not revolve around apps. It may revolve around teams of AI agents working together to solve problems. And we're already seeing the early stages of that future today. One of the most exciting developments in AI is the rise of open source models. A few years ago, powerful AI was mostly available through large technology companies. Today, developers can access incredibly capable open models and run them on their own infrastructure. Why does this matter? Because open source changes everything. It reduces costs. It increases transparency. It allows customization. And it gives organizations greater control over their data. For businesses working with sensitive information, this is incredibly important. Instead of sending data to third-party services, companies can deploy models internally. What's even more interesting is how quickly open-source AI is improving. The gap between open and closed models continues to shrink. This competition is accelerating innovation and creating opportunities for developers around the world. For anyone learning AI today, understanding open-source ecosystems is becoming a valuable skill. Let's talk about one of the most important concepts in modern AI systems. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or simply RAG. One challenge with large language models is hallucination. Sometimes they confidently generate information that simply isn't true. RAG helps solve this problem. Instead of relying entirely on training data, the AI first retrieves relevant information from trusted sources. Then it generates a response based on that information. Think of it like an open book exam instead of a memory test. This approach dramatically improves accuracy. That's why companies building AI products are investing heavily in vector databases, embeddings, semantic search, and advanced retrieval systems. If you're a developer looking for a practical AI skill, learning RAG should be near the top of your list. Many real-world AI applications depend on it. Software development is experiencing one of the biggest transformations in its history. Modern AI coding assistants can generate code, explain complex functions, create tests, debug issues, and even help design entire applications. But here's the important point. AI isn't replacing developers. It's changing how developers work. Instead of spending hours writing boilerplate code, developers can focus on architecture, business logic, product design, and solving real problems. The role is shifting from typing code to directing systems. Developers who learn how to collaborate effectively with AI tools are becoming significantly more productive. The future software engineer will likely spend less time writing every line manually and more time reviewing, refining, and orchestrating AI-generated solutions. In many ways, AI is becoming a powerful teammate rather than a replacement. For years, the AI industry seemed obsessed with building larger and larger models. Bigger datasets, more parameters, larger training clusters. But something interesting is happening. Small language models are becoming surprisingly capable. For many real-world applications, organizations don't need the largest model available. They need something fast, something efficient, something affordable. Smaller models offer lower latency, reduced infrastructure costs, and easier deployment. This makes them attractive for startups, mobile applications, edge devices, and enterprise solutions. The future of AI may not belong only to giant models. It may belong to the right model for the right task. Another major trend is multimodal AI. Traditional AI systems focused primarily on text. Today's systems can understand and combine multiple forms of information. Text, images, audio, video, documents, and code, all within a single workflow. Imagine uploading a screenshot of an application and asking AI to generate the front-end code. Or uploading a diagram and asking for a detailed explanation. Or combining voice instructions with images and documents to complete a project. This ability to understand different types of information is making AI dramatically more useful. The boundaries between media formats are disappearing. And that's creating entirely new possibilities for products and services. One of the most practical trends we are seeing is the rise of on-device AI. Instead of sending every request to a cloud server, many AI workloads are now running directly on smartphones, laptops, and edge devices. Why is this important? Privacy, speed, cost, and reliability. When AI runs locally, users can receive responses faster. Sensitive data remains on the device, and applications can continue working even without internet connectivity. As hardware continues improving, local AI will become increasingly common. In the future, many AI experiences may happen directly on your device without requiring constant cloud access. So what should developers focus on? If I was starting today, I would prioritize 5 areas. First, learn Python. Second, understand APIs and integrations. Third, build projects using RAG. Fourth, experiment with AI agent frameworks. And fifth, learn how to deploy AI applications in production environments. The biggest opportunities aren't coming from simply using AI. They're coming from building with AI. The developers who understand these systems today will have a major advantage tomorrow. We are witnessing one of the most important technology shifts of our generation. AI agents are becoming more capable. Open source models are becoming more powerful. Coding assistants are changing software development. Multimodal systems are expanding what's possible. And AI is moving closer to users through local and edge computing. The future is arriving much faster than many people expected. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which AI trend do you think will have the biggest impact over the next few years? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Let's Code, and turn on notifications for more content about AI, software engineering, and emerging technologies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.